The following video contains important information and is only intended for the wedding planning business. Have you noticed a drop in the number of new leads coming into your business? Are you experiencing more quiet periods than before? Do you wonder why other companies seem to be doing so well? I'll be honest, despite what the optimists say, many local businesses around the world are fighting to survive. Finding and keeping hold of new customers isn't easy. As the owner of a wedding planning business, you know your industry, you know your market, and you know your clients. But you may not be a marketing expert. You certainly don't have time to keep up to date with the new online trends and technology. But the world of marketing and advertising has changed beyond recognition. If your business doesn't have a strong internet presence, very simply, you're losing money. But don't worry. As local marketing specialists, we've helped dozens of businesses like yours use online marketing to bring in more leads, more inquiries, and most importantly, more sales. We can show you how to dominate your local area, increasing your revenue and ultimately your profits. We'll even show you ways to slash your advertising spend, put your business in front of millions of customers for free, bring in sales while you sleep, and have other businesses happily promoting you to their customers. Click on the link below and we'll happily give you a completely free advertising consultation. We'll take a look at your current strategies and find ways you can save money and bring in a flood of new business. And don't worry, there are no strings, no obligation, and no catch. Just click the link below and we'll show you how to use the power of online marketing to skyrocket your profits. The world of advertising and marketing has changed. Make sure your business isn't left behind.